Hi, this is Miss Cindy. Hope everyone is doing great today. This project I am going to attempt using paint that I'm really not familiar with, and that is the Color Shift by Folk Art. So I got this 4-pack of paint. I guess these colors are supposed to all go together. And I'm going to do a balloon pour. The Color Shift paint, when you tilt it at a certain angle or you look at a different angle, it's supposed to change colors. I believe there's gold in the green and there's blue and purple. So anyway, I'm going to practice on that today. So all I'm going to need is my Color Shift paint. I think I'm going to paint this canvas black. And then I'm just going to use just a little black and Flotro as a base. I'm not going to put any Flotro in the paint because I'm doing using the balloon. So I don't want it to be too thick or too watery. And then I need a balloon. So let me get this canvas prepared and I'll get started. My canvas is painted black. And I mixed just a little bit of black and Flotro. I don't want too much Flotro on this because I don't want it to overpower these colors. I've never used these colors. I don't know the elements of these colors. So I'm not going to put this on real heavy. But I will put it on just enough so it helps it spread a little bit. I don't want it to be too heavy. Just a really thin coat because this is first time I'm working with this paint and I know this black has a habit of overpowering. And that may have been too much, but I got it on there already. Okay, and the other thing, I didn't put any, I'm not mixing the paint with Flotro. So I'm just going to pour it right out of the bottle. There's no rhyme to reason for this either. It's just trying to mix the colors. I've seen this green shift paint on a project, on somebody else's project, and it really comes out gold, which is really nice. Okay, so all the paint's just on there. Let me get my balloon and let's see how this works. I have my balloon ready. It's blown up. And I have some paper towels. So we're just going to kiss this canvas and pull it up. I'm going to wipe my balloon off. Okay. This sort of gives like a floral look. See, over here is where that Floetrol is really heavy. Those colors do go well together. Okay, so we're gonna let this dry and let's see if this shift paint shows up. While I was waiting for the black one to dry, I did a little small one on a white canvas. Same thing, I used just a little white Floetrol and paint for the base. And then I did the same thing with the paint, just put it on directly. On the white, it actually shows a little bit. Let me see if I can, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. But like this section here, it's blue when you look at it, but when you turn it, it's like a purplish. The green actually looks gold. So yes, this shift paint does work. Let me see how it works on the darker background. But this works. And I also like that balloon. I like that balloon design because it gives it like a floral effect. So I'll be back when the other one is fully dry, and let's see how that one comes out. Well, I'm finished with this shift paint project. This is some weird paint. If I'm sitting it down like this, I don't know if you can tell, but I see the green. But then when I pull it up, it looks gold. So I'm going to say yes, this definitely works. So I try to turn it to the side to see if the blue and the purple changes. Not really. I was told that green really changes, and the green does. But the reason why I said this paint is weird is because I used the same 4 colors, one with a black background and one with a white, and these look like just different colors. Totally. This one shows up the same way. That green is like really gold, but when I turn it to the side, I see the green. I don't know if you're going to see it that much on the camera. If I turn this way, this is blue. But when I turn it straight up, it's purple. So I'm going to say yes, this shift paint does work. I will be doing more projects with this. I just don't know what I'm going to do yet. So anyway, that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and, I'm not going to resin this. I will probably polyurethane it because I do like it, so I want to keep it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. If you like the content, give me a thumbs up.